Hi everyone. Today I'm going to recommend you my computation system whereby it works with UBS system, right? As we know, there are limitations that UBS can do for this commission computation. So let's start. Okay, from here you got to set up your UBS module, the path of it. So when you continue, you can see all the database here available for selection. So let's select this testing, right? You can navigate the system using these buttons or actually from here, the menu, right? Initial setup. Okay, let's explain computation methods of this commission. Item gross profit. You will base on the gross profit of the item to pay your commission to your salesman. Item category. For this, you can actually set different percentage of commission based on the category of the item, and you pay by gross profit. This will be the same, but it will based on the sales amount. For salesman field, it depends how you set your salesman field. By default, is by agent from customer, whereby you can set up your agent and your customer setup. Which is here by default, right? Okay, why do we have here all these things? Okay, for certain kind of company, they actually do not pay the commission based on fixed salesman tied to the customer itself, because some could be ad hoc or whatever. Some, depending who close the sales, the commission goes to whoever, right? So you can actually make use of this remark column 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's fix at 1 because I got data set up on my UBS here. Let me show you. Right. So for individual invoice, I can set who the commission I will pay to for salesman ID using remarks 1 column. Right, let's go to salesman. As you can see, all the salesman data here is actually fetched from UBS. Okay, if you set up the commission here, you will just base on the salesman ID and just pay this amount commission if you don't set the others, right? Let me show you for further explanation. Okay, set up commission for GP base, that's gross profit. That means regardless of what items, you are based on the gross profit of that particular item on the sales and pay the salesman commission. Say for example SM01. Okay, say sales range from $0.01 to $1,000, will pay a commission of 3%. Okay, and from 1,001 cent to $5,000, I pay a commission of 5%. Well, so on and so forth. You can set up for each of the salesmen you have. Okay. Okay, another method will be set up commission for item category base. Let me explain. Say for example salesman 1, which I will show you the examples later. For category wine, okay, my items are set up into 3 categories. Okay, I have only 3 categories, so you are based on the category to pay commission here. For wine, I'll pay 8%. For beer, I'll pay 9%. And then maybe for cigar, I'll pay 12%. Right. Let's do the rest. So you can set up different percentage for different category and different salesmen. Let's give 3 examples here. Right. So item category base, if you set up your commission computation here, okay, we'll work with these two, either of them. Right, set up commission for service. Okay, if you have services provided in your company, like delivery charges, documentation charges, or labeling and stacking, whatever, okay, you can actually pay the commission for that. Say we pay 20% for that, since services, we got no cost. So you can either set differently for each of the services you have, okay, or alternatively, say we set up for salesman 2 now, okay, and we just auto create for all services we have for 10%. Well, you can still change it here. That's it. Right? You'll be faster this way. Right. After all the setup been done, we can compute the commission. Let's say I compute for salesman ID1 for first period, get shares. So you can see all the shares here. Right. So we can just click on this button, you will automatically compute the commission to be payable to this particular salesman based on the setup you have set. Done. Well, look at the cost column here. The gross profit is ridiculous because it's just a sample. So I just put in anything, any figure during a setup for the particular item during purchase. So just ignore it. It should not work this way. Let's do for SM02. SM03. Right, we compute for 3 salesmen. Let's look at the reports then. Okay, for the first month, which is first period, commission management report. Okay, this is a report. Basically will report all the sales commission payable to the different salesmen, and then showing each of the invoice. From here you can go into it. Salesman 2, salesman 3. Commission slip. You can print this to actually give to your salesman during a payday. Right? Shows the invoices. Commission management detail report. Okay. These will not only showing the invoice, but it will also show all the particular items that you paid the commission for. The items and then a summary here for commission amount, for sales amount. Alright, let me show you something. Commission computation. Let's say for salesman 1. Because it has been already created, so I hit some error. Never mind. Just want to show you. So how we derive this? It should be 15960 minus 610, which should give you the gross profit. and see divide by 1276.8, 12. You see the 12% here? That is how it derived the figure. Okay, let's continue on the reports printing. Commission management report with chart. Sorry. We don't have anything on month 11. Right? A similar report that you have seen, but show you the chart. It's the total commission amount here. Salesman item sales analysis report. Show you the individual items, the sales amount and the commission. So look at the first one. It's obviously a 10% because labeling and stacking is a no cost, it's a services, and you're getting 10% commission amount out of that, right? Well, the last part will be maintenance. Can change commission computation if you want. In any kind of situation, whereby if you're required to change that, you can change that here. The others are not changeable, right? Not editable at all. Can you change the commission amount? Say $1,000. That's it. You can change it. Right. This for you to actually create out the old records. Since we have done, just create it. View. Delete. Should I delete it? Yes. That's it. Gone forever. Right. That's all for today. I'll give you the download link soon. For those who are interested to get customization on UBS, anything related, you can approach me.